Can I do affiliate marketing without investing any money? Affiliate marketing offers a relatively low-cost entry into the world of online business. It's true that you can start affiliate marketing without making substantial upfront investments, but it's important to recognize that there are still some costs involved. While you may not need a large sum of money to get started, allocating a budget for essential expenses can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your chances of success. One of the primary costs to consider is website hosting. A website serves as your online platform where you can create valuable content, promote affiliate products, and engage with your audience. To have a professional and reliable website, you'll need to invest in website hosting services. These services ensure that your website is accessible to visitors and provides a smooth user experience. While there are free hosting options available, investing in a reputable hosting service is recommended for better performance, security, and customization options. In addition to hosting, domain registration is another expense to consider. A domain name is your website's unique address on the internet, and it's important to choose a domain that reflects your niche and brand. While domain registration costs can vary depending on the domain registrar and the availability of the desired domain name, it's generally a reasonable investment that adds professionalism and credibility to your affiliate marketing business. Marketing tools are also valuable assets for affiliate marketers. These tools can help you with keyword research, search engine optimization, SEO, social media management, email marketing, and analytics tracking. While there are free tools available, investing in premium tools can provide more advanced features and better insights, allowing you to optimize your strategies and improve your results. Furthermore, content creation plays a crucial role in affiliate marketing success. While you can create content without spending money, investing in high-quality content can yield better engagement and conversions. This may involve hiring freelance writers or designers, investing in graphic design software, or purchasing stock photos. By allocating a budget for content creation, you can ensure that your content is visually appealing, informative, and resonates with your target audience. It's important to approach affiliate marketing with a long-term mindset and recognize that some investments may be necessary to grow your business. By setting aside a budget for website hosting, domain registration, marketing tools, and content creation, you can enhance the overall quality of your affiliate marketing efforts and position yourself for greater success. Remember, the specific costs and budget allocation will depend on your individual circumstances and goals. It's recommended to conduct thorough research and carefully plan your budget to maximize the returns on your investments in affiliate marketing. What are some free techniques that you have used successfully while doing affiliate marketing, and what are things that you must pay for? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.